Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. If you've been here before, welcome back. On today I want to show you all an alternative way to extend locks. This is a style that I recently completed and I wanted to share a few tips. First, you're going to need a needle and thread, and what you want to do is connect two locks. These I believe were 18 inches, and the length that I needed was 36 inches. So right here I'm showing you that you're going to connect your thread to the loop on one end of one of the locks, and then you're going to connect that lock to the end of the other one by using the needle and thread. Okay, so once you complete it, you want to give a pull test to make sure that it's secure and locked in. This is the most effective way that I have used to extend locks. It works for me every time. I haven't had an issue with it. So thank you for watching. I hope that you guys found this video helpful. If you did, please leave me a comment, like, share the video, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching. Bye.